Hi, welcome to another brand new video on Resolve Nest. I'm Shanos Khan with you guys. So we already set up our search console and we know the interface of search console. So there is a next important things. So what is it? Now we have to add or install Google Analytics to our website to measure our website performance. So it's a very important thing. So today we will learn how to set up Google Analytics, use Tag Manager on our website. So basically what we do first, I created Tag Manager and Google Analytics. It's very easy to create. If you don't know how to create it, please do a comment. I will make a video on that. So we have a WordPress website, so it's very easy to install Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. So now let's move on the video. So first we'll go to the website backend. So here is our website backend. We need to add a plugin here, so we'll go add new plugin. Here we'll search for GTM. This is the plugin what we need. This is the plugin. So let's install it. And active. So our plugin is activated. Now find the plugin. This is the plugin GTM4WP. Go on the setting. Now we have to grab the Google Tag Manager code. So here is our Google Tag Manager. Here we can copy the code. If you don't, if you can't copy the code from here, you can do it. You can copy the code from here. So copy the code and paste it here and save changes. Here is the thing. First, when we save this, it will be off. It was on, but when we do save changes, it's certainly off. We need to on it again and click on save changes. So here you see now it's on. Go on the Tag Manager. So our Tag Manager is installed on our website. So how to check that? First submit this. If you don't submit any tag, it will be work on the debug view. It will not work in the real way. So we need to submit that. Let's click on preview and grab your website link, put it here and connect. See, our website is connected. If we do anything on this website, we can visit this page, PPC service page. It will be shown. See, PPC service page. We can also see our little bit data layer. We'll talk about the data layer in Google Analytics section. So if you want to know about the data layer section, you can comment in the below. I will talk about that. So here you see our Google Tag Manager is connected with our website. So now we need to connect the Tag Manager with Google Analytics. So we have to make a tag. Create a new tag. Tag name is GA4. I'll set it in all page. So it need to fire in all page. So I need to use the Google tag. I have to put the tag ID. So what is tag ID? So it's the measurement ID from Google Tag Manager, sorry, Google Analytics. So where we find the measurement ID? So here is, you saw the data stream. Click on data stream and click on this section, and here also this is the measurement ID. So copy it and paste it here. So its trigger is triggering in all pages. So again submit it. So maybe you have a question why we install this tag in all pages. All pages means these pages, how many pages on this website have, every pages on head section, every pages have the tag, the Google tag. So why we do that? Because it's just a GA4 tag. When someone visit your website and which page, whatever it is, we need to track them. So that's why I install it in every pages. So now we need to check it's working or not. So come back to the admin section. We'll go to this debug view option, and again we come back to Google Tag Manager. Go to the preview section. The URL is already here. Connect. It's connected. Let me do something on website. I'll visit this page. Okay, I'll visit some portfolio. I'll see a Google Ads portfolio. Let me go to the blog section. Then home. Okay, now come back to the analytics. We would check if the data here is coming or not. Here you saw one device is connected. What we do first visit on this website. When we connect our analytics, we do first visit, and also we visit PPC service pages and some pages. So we need that data in here. So first we see what we get. We get non-personalized ads. That means it's not a ads, it's just a normal regular visit. So we do a page view. So which page we visit, you can get some data here. Google Ads optimization page we visit, and there is a second page view. You can see the page title. Secondly we visit the blog section, and there is also another page view. It was the home page. My home page name is this. So that's the data. So here you saw we are successfully connected with Google Analytics. Congratulations. I think you also do the same thing with me. So we connected with our Google Analytics. So it's very important to measure our performance. We need to install a Google Tag Manager. So, and one thing, next video we'll talk about the on-page SEO. So that's why we need to stop Google to indexing the website. So we need to stop indexing. So how we can stop that? Go to the setting, go to the writing section. I'm sorry, that's not in writing section. Maybe it's on general or reading section. Okay, not in general. Here we saw discourage search engine from indexing this site. So we need to off that, because we will work in our on page. So maybe something is wrong in our on page. We need to change some text from on page. So basically we don't want to index that. When we will be finish our on page all content, then we will index those things. So now we need to stop this. So basically we just stop this. Okay, we stop this, and in next video we will talk about the on based things, about keyword and all those things. So this is all for today. If you find anything helpful on this video, please like and do subscribe, because it's inspired me to make this kind of video. Bye bye, take care.